welcome for those especially who have made big efforts to be very early or very late participation. And so that's the first time we organize a common CCRI and CCQM workshop. And it's a pleasure that we will discuss during these 3 days about mass spectrometry in radionuclide metrology. So just a few guidance. So for those who are participating to the CCRI webinars at the same rules, so please take aware that your video is off and mute your microphone during all the presentations. During the presentations, you can ask questions using the question and answer tool from Zoom. All the questions will be read after the talks. And if you prefer to ask directly the question to the speakers, that's also possible at the end of presentations. In that case, please raise your hand, turn on your video so that we can see you, and you can speak directly to the speakers. For information, this workshop will be fully recorded. The presentations without the discussion at the end will be online, available at the BIPM YouTube channel, and the rest of the recording will be only used on the confidential way by the organizers in order to produce the document at the end of the workshop. So this workshop will start at 10 UTC and for 3 hours per day. So you can see that the hour is not easy for the one in Sydney, not for the one in Washington. So this has been prepared under the chair of Lisa Karam from CCRI 2 chair and Mike Wischenster from CCQM EAW. And all these people there, steering committee, have been deeply involved in the preparation of this workshop. So I would like to thank them very much for what they have done. And just for a reminder, for those who have not seen all the introductory videos, they are still available at this link. So D1 is today. The goal of this today is just to give an overview of what is going on with mass spectrometry and in radionuclide metrology applications. Day 2 will be more focused on what could be done to further develop these techniques in radionuclide metrology and how radionuclide metrology can make further developments for these mass spectrometry techniques. And day 3 will be to have a discussion with the stakeholders and their needs. So please, I will let the floor to Lisa Karam and Mike Wischenster, the 2 chairs of this meeting workshop. Thank you.